Open the box. Remove all packing material. Unfold the scooter to an upright position. Remove the scooter from the box. Check inside the box for your charger, manual, and tools. Secure the front folding buckle. Fasten the handlebar to the scooter using the 4mm Allen key bolts with the provided tools. Power the scooter on. One button press for headlight or brake light power on. 2 button presses for speed setting mode switch. 3 button presses to switch miles per hour to kilometers per hour. To fold the scooter, unfasten the folding buckle. Take note of the corresponding nook and latch on the handlebar or rear fender. Simply hook the rear fender within the latch on the handlebar. And your scooter is ready to go with you on all your adventures.